Hello, my viewers. Welcome back again into this beautiful video. So, guys, today I have come to share with you this great news. Yes. But before I go into that video, I want to use this wonderful opportunity to thank all my talent subscribers for always coming back to watch my videos. Trust me, I really appreciate your support. May God Almighty bless you. All right. So, guys, today I'm here to tell you this morning recipe that can change your life overnight. For example, if you are into business and you are finding it very difficult to make sale, people are not buying from you, whether you're selling online and offline, nobody is patronizing you, you are not having that money, you go out there, you come back home empty handed, and you're looking for something that will attract customer. You're looking for something very simple that can attract people to come and buy from you. I'm here to share with you this particular two ingredients, and you can mix together and you start applying it on your skin, and by God's grace, God will use this product, this particular two ingredients, to bring customers to you who are going to keep on patronizing you steady and steady. All right. So, guys, moving on to that recipe. Here is the recipe, the two ingredients. So, number one ingredient in my list is what? Original shea butter. Okay, this is original shea butter. This is my original shea butter. This is original shea butter. The original. Well, how will you know original shea butter? See, let me tell you, shea butter that is being bleached with a little bit yellow color is not original. Don't get that type of shea butter. You need pure white. Let me show you the texture of this shea butter so that you know what I'm talking about. Right? So can you see this shea butter? This shea butter is very creamy, white, is very fine. You can even use this into you can even use this particular one to cook, and it's very healthy. You can also apply it on your body, and you will get all the benefit of this because this is raw shea butter that have not been bleached with yellow color. That one that you see bleach and they will use a good phone to snap it and it look attractive and it seems like it is original. It is not. It is not 100% original. So please get original shea butter if you want this particular one to work for you. This recipe now to work for you. I'm even tempted to lick it, but I will do that after this video share. Okay, you can also lick it for blessing. Okay, early in the morning when you wake up, and use this your hand. Original shea butter I'm talking about. You scoop it, you lick it, and say whatever you want to say, and it shall be so. That is another secret of do as I said using shea butter that I just told you now. All right. So moving on to the recipe that brought me here today on this video. So all you have to do is to get this original shea butter. Get me your mustard seed, original mustard seed, the one that come from Jerusalem direct. The one that come from Jerusalem direct, the one that has a mixture of bright red color in it, not the one that has something like brownish red. No, no, no. Get the one that has bright red color inside it. All right. So get that one. All you have to do is when you get that your mustard seed, put it in your right hand because it's the blessing. I'll also tell you how to use this mustard seed to spoil poison, to spoil poison on the ground. Like for example, people or somebody sprinkle poison or juju for you on your shop, front of your shop, in your house. I'm here to tell you how you can use this cinnamon powder, sorry, mustard seed to destroy that. But that should be on my next video. Please, guys, remind me of that because I have a lot of thousands recipe on my head. I may not remember it to make the video next time, but please remind me at the comment section. So you need this. Okay, original mustard seed. All you have to do is to get that your mustard seed, put it in your right hand, pray over it, say whatever you want to say concerning your business, and then use something like blender or stone to blend the mustard seed into a powder form. Mix it together with one 1 teaspoon of your original shea butter, and then also pray on it. Read Psalm 1 in this mixture, guys. This is amazing recipe that attracts quick customer. You can never go wrong with this recipe. This recipe works like fire, like hot fire. Yeah. Until you perform this recipe, you will not understand how it is. So after reading Psalm 1 on this picture, use this your hand to do what? To scoop it at night after bedtime. Rub it at your belly button. Rub it at your belly button. And in the morning, before you go out, also pick it with this hand, rub it, but you must bath before rubbing it in the morning on your belly button. Then, if your business is offline, maybe your internet business, you are selling at home, also rub it after everything in the morning, rub it again at your navel, and at night, rub it for complete 7 days. While you are rubbing this, guys, you will see how customers will begin to tune in. People are going to, continue buying, patronizing you, ordering stuff from you. This is not a joke. It's an amazing recipe that I can never stop doing. I can never stop doing that. All right. So, guys, this recipe is very effective and it works wonders if you are having low sales. If you're not selling at all, people are not patronizing you, this recipe works for you very, very well. All right. So, guys, all you have to do is to get yourself your correct ingredient, like original ingredients that I just listed here earlier on. So, guys, that is just the end of this video. Please, after watching this video, like this video for me. Okay, share this video and also ask your question if you have questions concerning this particular recipe. And if you need to reach me out to contact me to buy this stuff, the ingredient, or to buy other of my products, for example, I have this dry shower shop leaf. This dry shower shop leaf is good to treat any type of health issue, be it cancer, any type of cancer, prostate, any other cancer you can talk about. Okay, it's also good in maintaining healthy weight. Okay, so get this shower shop leaf. It's very medicinal. It's good for your health. It's good for you. It's good for me. And to order, all you have to do is to chat me on this number 090-5982-5779 090-5982-5779. I also have other spiritual herbal leaves that you can use to enhance your spiritual life, which I have used in the past to make video. And if you need to order for those ones, call the number or you chat the same number that I just share with you right now. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next video. So have a lovely weekend. I love you all. Bye.